Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, Physical Fitness. So let's start. Today man's life is full of physical and mental stress which can be relieved if the person is physically fit, psychological balance and socially well adjusted. Thus the physical fitness is a matter of concern for optimum development of an individual. Meaning of physical fitness: it is the capacity of an individual to do more work effectively with joy and pleasure. After work is over, he still has sufficient capacity to do more work without any exertion. Moreover, his recovery is faster and quicker. Few definitions. According to Webster's Encyclopedia, it is the ability of a person to do daily routine work without fatigue. Moreover, to participate in playful activity and still reserve enough capacity to meet any emergency. David R. Lamb: physical fitness is the capacity to meet the present and potential physical challenge of life with success. Dr. Carroll's: successful adaptation to the stresses of one's lifestyles. Next we have importance of physical fitness. Number 1 point: total efficiency improved. A physically fit person can perform more work with less fatigue and tiredness. Therefore, his total efficiency is improved. Rest all the points: better quality of work, optimum growth and development, better utilization of time, healthy environment, prevents health hazards and health problems, improve physiological functioning, good looking physique, improvement in physical abilities, idea of hygienical habit, development of social quality, experience of life stresses, prevent premature aging, preparedness for emergency. So these are the points of physical fitness importance. Next topic is components of physical fitness. So there are total 8 components of physical fitness. Number 1, cardiovascular endurance, stamina, strength, speed, flexibility, agility, balance and accuracy. So let's start one by one. Cardiovascular endurance. In cardiovascular endurance, this endurance is helpful when the activity is done for longer duration with a slow speed. In fact, it is a combination of circulatory and respiratory system which provide continuous energy for workout. Stamina: it is defined as the ability to overcome resistance under the fatigue condition with high speed and strength. This endurance is for shorter duration and also known as muscular endurance, as ability is performed in absence of oxygen with the help of store energy in muscles glycogen. It is required for games and sports like tennis, badminton, handball, basketball. Next is strength. Strength is the ability to produce force, or it is an ability of muscles to overcome resistance. Strength can be defined as the amount of force a muscle can exert. It is an essential component for games and sports. Different games required different level and type of strength. It can be improved through systematical training. In strength, there is a part static strength. It is also known as isometric strength. It is the ability to act against resistance from single or one position. You can see the examples also, like arm wrestling, powerlifting, and pushing the wall. Next we have power. It is also known as maximum strength. It is the ability to overcome resistance with a very high speed. In fact, it is a combination of strength and speed. In simple word, power is the ability of muscles to perform forceful movement at quickest possible time. Power is producing the greatest amount of force in the shortest possible time, as in accelerating, jumping, throwing, and lifting, etc. Next we have speed. It is the ability of to perform movement as faster rate. In the other word, it is the ability to move as faster as possible. Speed is basically dependent on heredity but can be improved through proper training. It is of three types: reaction time, acceleration, and speed of movement. So dear student, next components: flexibility, agility, and accuracy we will see in my next video. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.